Hey guys, good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy Neet English channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing, all of you are doing great. My dear students, this is going to be the final plan for all those NEET aspirants who are yet to start their preparation, for all those students who want to become the doctors, for all those students who have dreamt of wearing those white coats. You must be thinking, now there are only 3 months left for the examination. Now let's try for the NEET 2026, not for the NEET 2025. My dear students, I'm just telling you one thing. If you are willing to give me these upcoming 3 months, if you are willing to follow your Unacademy NEET English team completely, if you are willing to do what we tell you to do, you are definitely going to land into a dream college this year itself. That is our promise. That is something which I'm giving you assured. So whatever from now onwards for the upcoming 3 months we tell you to do, you guys are going to do the same things. Whatever DPPs we are going to provide you, whatever study material we are going to provide you, you are just going to follow that study material. Whatever tests we are going to tell you to write, you are just going to write those tests. Nothing apart from that. I just want your 10 to 12 hours every single day from now onwards for the upcoming 3 months. Then after that, I know how to make sure that all of you land into a dream college. All of you wear those white coats for sure right after your NEET 2025 examination. So people, I know there are a lot of students among you who have started their preparation very late. Even there is a particular set of students who are yet to start their preparation but who want to be under the right guidance. There should be someone who should be telling them all the time what to do, what not to do. And that's why I'm here right now in front of you all. So all those students who started their preparation late, all those students who are yet to start their preparation, all those students who have just completed a certain percentage of the syllabus only, and they want to crack this particular examination with an amazing score, with a good score. My dear students, particularly for all of you, from 1st of February, we are coming up with a very compact course where everything will be started from the basics. Every single thing will be started from the basics. If you have not studied the chapter also, does not matter. We are starting every single thing from the scratch, completing your whole syllabus in just 70 days, including the tests, including everything. All the parameters which are required for this competitive examination to be cracked in just 3 months, all those parameters we have incorporated in our dream crash course batch, which we are starting on 1st of February. My dear students, on 1st of February, this is going to be something new. This is going to be something new. The batch, the dream crash course batch, which we launched last year also, from which we got amazing results. This year also we have come up with a similar batch for the upcoming 3 months. Right? The batch starting date, again, remember it, it's 1st of February. Entire syllabus of your physics, chemistry and biology will be completed in just 70 days, that too from the basics. Every single chapter of your physics, chemistry, biology will be completed in 3 sessions exactly. For every chapter, we shall be providing you 3 live sessions. You just have to follow those 3 live sessions of the chapter. After that, whatever DPP we are going to provide you after the chapter, just solve that DPP, nothing else. I am giving you 100% assurance. If you follow what we tell you to follow in this particular batch, my dear students, nobody is going to stop you in order to wear those white coats for sure. That is my promise to you. That's my promise to you. Provided you give me your 10 to 12 hours every single day from now onwards. So people, your entire syllabus completion will happen in just 70 days. Every chapter will be started from the scratch, from the basics. Whatever portion will be completing in a week, Sunday of every week, you will be writing tests which we shall be providing to you. Okay? Whatever chapters we are going to complete in a week, in like 6 days, on the 7th day, there will be a test scheduled. We are going to provide you the tests. You are going to write your tests. We are going to analyze your test score. We are going to keep the mentorship sessions wherein we'll let you know how you can improvise your test scores for sure. Okay? At the same time, in the last 20 days, my dear students, we will make you write 20 full syllabus mock tests. in the last 20 days, apart from all the tests which are happening on Sundays, apart from all the tests which are happening on Sundays, in the last 20 days, we'll make sure that you write 20 full syllabus mock tests so that you become exam friendly, so that you know how to sit in the exam, so that you know how to strategize your exam paper. You're not going to solve any study material of your own. Just leave that. Whatever study material, whatever DPPs we are going to provide you for a chapter, just solve those DPPs, nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Your lectures and your DPPs, that is going to be super sufficient in this particular batch, because that's how we have planned this. That's how we have organized this particular Dream Crash Course batch for all the NEET 2025 aspirants. At the same time, when it comes to the short notes of every chapter will be provided so that revision would be easier for you. Formula sheets of every chapter will be provided so that it's going to be easy to remember the formulas, because you know, in your physics, almost like 10 to 15 questions will be directly formula based. In your physical chemistry, almost 6 to 7 questions will be directly formula based. So for that, you'll be getting complete formula sheets. You are going to get the organic chemistry flow charts as well, so that you can remember the reactions. Because you know, from your reaction part, almost some 8 to 9 questions every year are asked, so that, right? So that you can get those graphs, those 8 to 9 questions from just these formula sheets. Every single day, you will have 3 to 4 live classes with us, with your Unacademy NEET English team. Okay? Session duration of every session will be 1.5 hours. As I told you, pre-mentorship sessions will be conducted by your Unacademy NEET English team, right? And by chance, my dear students, if you are unable to join any live session, no need to worry. There'll be recordings provided. There'll be recordings also provided after the live session. So if you missed a live session by any chance, you can watch its recording as well. No worries at all, right? And again, the batch is in completely English language. Now the point is, how do you get enrolled into this Dream Crash Course batch, which makes your selection guaranteed from 0 to 680, 690 plus for sure, if you exactly follow what we tell you to follow. Dear students, how do we get enrolled into this one? First of all, the video which you guys are watching right now, there's a link in the description box of the video. You just have to click on this link. Once you click on the link, my dear students, automatically you'll be directed to this particular page. You just have to put your mobile number on which you'll be getting the OTP, right? On which you'll be getting the OTP and everything. And you are just getting this particular Dream Crash Course batch only at 3,000 rupees. Only at 3,000 rupees. My dear students, consider these 3,000 rupees the lifetime investment. Do not think it like you're paying some like huge amount of money. No, it is just 3,000 rupees. Perfect. So you just have to put your mobile number on which you'll be getting the OTP, and eventually you are going to enroll into this particular Dream Crash Course batch, which is starting on 1st of February, my dear students. So right now after the session, I would want every one of you to enroll into this one, particularly for those students who have not started their preparation yet, or who think their preparation is not up to the mark, right? This is for you. This is for you. And once you enroll into this particular batch, you shall be added to your Telegram group, wherein we are going to let you know constantly what to do, what not to do. That is going to be a separate Telegram group only for you students. So with this, I'll be taking a leave. Get enrolled as soon as possible, and I'll see you exactly with the first live session on 1st of February. So take care. God bless you all, and love you all, guys. Take care.